IFPC Life Insurance Finland app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Life Insurance Finland app is built to make managing your life insurance simple and convenient. Many people think it's only for viewing policy details, but the surprising truth is that it allows claim submission, premium tracking, access to digital policy documents, and updates to personal information all on your phone. Claims management is a key strength. You can submit claims, upload supporting documents, and track progress in real time, which saves you from the hassle of long phone calls or mailing forms. Digital copies of your policy and certificates are always available, making proof of coverage quick and easy. Premium tracking is seamless. The app sends reminders for upcoming payments, shows a full payment history, and allows you to update your payment methods. Minor updates to personal details and policy adjustments can also be done directly in the app. Additional resources like facts and guides help you understand your coverage and benefits, making decision-making easier. That said, there are a few limitations. Offline functionality is minimal, so most features require an internet connection. Uploading large documents may be slow at times, and advanced features like detailed coverage projections or comparisons are better suited for desktop use. In conclusion, the IFPC Life Insurance Finland app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing life insurance. Its strengths include efficient claims handling, instant access to digital documents, and easy premium tracking. While some advanced features are desktop-only, the app delivers everything most policyholders need to stay informed and in control of their coverage wherever they are.